Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a Weebly portfolio website. If you're a creative professional, freelancer, or anyone looking to showcase your work online, creating a portfolio site in Weebly is one of the easiest ways to get started without needing any coding knowledge. First, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on My Site. This section is where you'll access all your existing websites or create new ones. Since we're building a fresh portfolio site, go ahead and click Add Site. This action opens up a prompt asking you what kind of website you'd like to create. From the options presented, simply click I just need a website. This tells Weebly that you're building a standard site rather than an online store or something more specialized. It streamlines the setup process and gets you straight to the design phase. Next, you'll need to choose a theme for your portfolio. Weebly offers a variety of templates tailored to different purposes, so look for the portfolio category and browse through the available themes. Pick one that aligns with your style and the type of work you want to showcase. The theme you choose will set the overall look and feel of your site, so take a moment to find one that resonates with your brand. Once you've selected your theme, you'll be taken to the editor page. This is where the magic happens. At the top of the editor, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on Pages. This will show you all the pages currently set up in your website structure. To add a new page specifically for your portfolio, click the plus icon. From the drop-down menu, select Standard Page and name it Portfolio. This creates a dedicated space where you can display your work, projects, or any other content you want visitors to see. After creating your portfolio page, head back to the top menu and click Build. This is the main editing interface where you can customize your page to your heart's content. Here you have full control to insert images, add text, include titles, and even edit the background to match your aesthetic. Feel free to drag and drop elements, arrange your content in a way that highlights your best work, and experiment with different layouts. The build section is intuitive and allows you to see changes in real time, making it easy to create a professional-looking portfolio without any technical hassle. And that's it. You've successfully set up a portfolio page on Weebly, complete with customization options to make it uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.